Hi guys, this is Marti with RalaylaCreates, and I'm coming to you with my first rack. Yay! I did a swap with Miss Pat, a tag swap with Miss Pat from the Bohodaydreams group, and then I went out to the mailbox today, and I had this package there. I was so surprised. Made me grin ear to ear. So I've just opened the envelope so we can see what's inside. So I'll pull it out. I'm so excited, guys. Oh, several things here. Okay. Well, first thing, Miss Pat has sent me some the tulle netting in this blue and this red. That is so awesome. With Christmas coming up, that'd be very handy. And then this piece of lace. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I love that. Very pretty. And she's also sent this ribbon right here that she has stitched like some seam binding on it, and then US stamps on top of that. That is clever. That is a very clever idea. 4th of July. Very nice. Oh, there's a note. Oh, she sent this as a thank you for the tag swap that we did. That is so sweet. That's so unnecessary, Miss Pat, but so sweet of you. Here are the papers. Look at the faces. That is awesome. I suck at faces. Drawing them. I suck at drawing faces. It's pretty. And then here's a page with all the different words and all that you could cut out and use. That's an awesome idea. Very clever. And here's another one. And you can cut that. It looks like it's been like with pinking shears. You could use your own pinking shears and cut them out. Oh, that is so nice. I don't have any beads with the inspirational sayings and stuff, so this will help me out in doing my tags. Very nice. Joy and wishes. Oh, these great words. That's a good idea to gather words you like and different fonts that you see, and then print them out, and you just cut them out. Great idea. Oh, look at this napkin. Uh-oh. Isn't that pretty? That reminds me of my grandmother's stitching. Isn't that lovely? Yes, we will be doing something with this. Thank you so much. So pretty. Oh my goodness. And here's some tickets that she's sewn together. Isn't that nice? The tickets, and then it looks like just the strips of paper. I like the numbers and all. Very nice. Thank you. And I don't have these colors. I just got the old tear apart tickets in my stash. There's a whole bunch of arrows. So cool. Thank you. A whole big sheet of stamps. Oh my goodness, Miss Pat, thank you. Most alive when we're most alive when we're in love. Love binds everything together in perfect harmony. That's biblical. Colossians 3:14. Love is how you stay alive even after you are gone. It is the things in common that make relationships enjoyable, but it's the little differences that make them interesting. That's true. Love is the master key which opens the gate of happiness. Oliver Wendell Holmes. To love and be loved is to feel the sun from both sides. David Scott. Wonderful. I love it. I love the love stamps. And I just got a platform recently that I can use them on, other than just the blocks. I just got the little travel platform, Tim Holtz. Wonderful. Thank you so much. That's so generous of you. We have some paper piecing. I love this paper piecing. Nice paper too. Oh wow. I've seen other people haul this. Country Morning Creations. Michelle, I believe, has her prayer journal in this month. Thank you so much. That's wonderful. And then some stamps, Monticello. Awesome. And she says she just got a ton of these. The little tickets. It says Pittsburgh tag printed USA box piece count. This must come from some industry. Like maybe how many and then what style? Maybe? I don't know. Box piece count attached to invoice. These are cool. There's some yellow ones and blue ones and pink. Oh, and some gray ones back behind there. These are awesome. Thank you so much, Miss Pat, for thinking of me. Oh, and she included a whole bunch of goodies in here. Oh, look at this handmade rosette. I love it. I haven't made one yet. I need to learn how. I'm new to paper crafting. I've done other crafting, but I'm new to paper crafting. I've always bought flowers. I haven't made flowers. Monticello. Don't have my Independence Hall. Don't have my glasses on. Here's some more of the little tags here. Purple, pink, and they got different numbers. I think that's a different number than what was on the other one. No, it's the same number. Yeah, different number down at the bottom. Yeah, different numbers on here. That is so awesome. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at a little heart. That's lovely. Look at this teeny tiny envelope. Oh, and it's got a Velcro closure. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is so tiny. Thank you, Miss Pat. And some charms, some heart charms. Thank you. So pretty. So pretty. I don't have my glasses on. I'm not sure if that was a word up there, if it was made to look like roses. I think it's made to look like roses. Sorry about that. Oh, here's another coin envelope. Very cute. Very cute. Look at this. Look at all the layers here. That is awesome. I love it. And they're pinked out pieces of fabric layered up with this little button in the middle. And it's hand stitched on there. Not sure you can see that. And then we have this flower that's got one of those faces in it. I like that face. Isn't that pretty? She just used a silk flower and doubled it up and put a scallop circle and then the face there. Very nice. Here's some more of those tickets, different number on it. Some more stamps. Robert E. Lee. And I can't read who that is. Can't see who it is either. Maybe you can help me. I can't read with my glasses on, and I sure can't read with them off. Here's another envelope with the little Velcro. I need these little Velcros. I've only ever seen the bigger ones. That is so cute. Awesome. And then this little embellishment here. That looks like a yo-yo. That's a yo-yo with this beautiful button on top. Well, Miss Pat, I really appreciate you sending this to me. You did not have to. I sure do. Sorry guys, my camera died. Miss Pat, I really appreciate you. It was so kind of you to send this to me. You didn't have to. I was so glad to be your swap partner in the tag swap in Bohodaydreams Facebook group. I really appreciate you. Spoiled me, and thank you so much again. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.